Hello guys, welcome to Simple Programming channel. Today let us discuss the main intro topic in C++, the difference between structures and the classes in C++. The main difference is default access specifier. So in structures, the members are public by default. In classes, members and member variables like member functions are private by default. And the second main difference is inheritance. So in structures, inheritance is public by default. In classes, inheritance is private by default. So let us see the difference. First we will see the example of structures. So structures, so the variables like for int and the functions, we didn't declare any access specifier for the member variable and member function, so we can access directly these struct member variables and functions. So I will compile and I'll show you. So it's not showing any errors, so we can access these specifiers by default, and we'll see the same example with classes. So if you try to access same class member variable and function, so it will throw the compile errors. If you see, I will build and show you. So A is a private member of simple, so we cannot access the member variable A, and cannot access even the member function. So because in class by default these member variables and member functions are private. So in structures, these member variables and functions are public, so we cannot access. This is the one main difference, and other difference is the default inheritance type. In the class structures, the inheritance default type is public, but in the classes the default inheritance type is private. So we'll see the example. So in the so if you see in the inheritance, so the base class is struct simple, and we inherited a simple class in the struct simple in the struct programming. So we inherited a simple struct, so we can access. We didn't specify any specifier while inheriting, so we can access and we can compile without any issues. So we are able to compile successfully. Instead of stack, we'll change to class, and we'll see now how it works. Let us compile. So it will throw the error. So cannot access cached program, and it's private like that. So this is what in class, if you see by default the access specifier for inheritance is private. So that's why it's not working. Let us make a public and build. So it's not throwing in there. So this is the main difference in many C++ interviews asked the difference between structs and classes. I hope you understand the difference between these two. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.